Remember the orchestra song? What musical instruments are mentioned in that particular song? Have you seen any of them? Can you describe an orchestra? Originally, the word orchestra is a platform or area in front of the ancient Greek stage used by the performers and musicians. Nowadays, it refers to a group of musicians playing different kinds of instruments simultaneously. The instruments in the orchestra are categorized and grouped according to the materials they are made of or the way they are played and performed. In the different cultural communities of the Philippines, most instruments are made out of wood or any material seen in the environment. In the Western orchestra, instruments are classified into four groups, namely string, woodwind, brass, and percussion. They are also well known in different countries. Each has distinct sound quality that is suited to the different voices known as the timbre for both male and female. As you go further, you will be able to describe the sound characteristics of each instrument. Timbre is classified according to the pitch or range, or lowest to highest notes achieved by both male and female singers. It can be bass and tenor for male, while alto or contralto and soprano for female. The same category can be used in identifying the timbre of the instruments in the orchestra. Let us now have the string instruments. The instruments in the string family are played by using a bow or by plucking their strings. They are often referred to as the strength of the orchestra's character. The following are some of the string instruments. Number 1, violin. It is the smallest but with the highest pitch in this group. It has 4 strings and is played by moving the bow across the strings, or they may be plucked by the fingers. It is also known as the part of the orchestra. The second one is viola. It is a little bigger than a violin. It is tuned in a fifth lower than that of the violin. Its tone is darker, heavier, and warmer. It is considered the tenor of the string family. The next one is called cello. Also known as violoncello, it is bigger than viola, while its strings are perfectly tuned in fifths. It is played by bowing or by plucking the strings. It is held in between the knees while seated. It has proportionally deeper ribs and a shorter neck than that of a violin. It is the bass musical instrument in violin family. The fourth string instrument is known as double bass. Also called contrabass, it is the biggest and has the lowest pitch in this group. Because of its large volume, the player needs to stand while bowing fluffy strings. Its four strings, occasionally added with one string, can be played using a short and narrow french bow or pizzicato for the fluffy. The last string instrument in the Western orchestra is called harp. It is made up of 47 strings. It has a wide range of pitches, so it can produce low and high sounds. It is played by plucking strings. Let us go now to the different woodwind instruments. These are played by blowing air into their mouthpiece. Most woodwind instruments have the so-called reed in their mouthpiece. Tunes are produced by covering their finger holes. Below are the instruments under this family. The first one is piccolo. It is the smallest but the highest pitched woodwind instrument. It produces pitches that are an octave higher than a flute. The next woodwind instrument is called flute. Known as edge-blown woodwind instrument, it is an aerophone or without reed. It can produce high-pitched sounds. This time let us have oboe. It has two reeds in the mouthpiece. It is considered the most expressive woodwind instrument. It is considered the treble woodwind instrument. Next we have clarinet. It has only one reed, and it can produce a wide range of low to high notes with flexible sound. The player grips its reed down between his lips or his lower lip button. The fifth woodwind instrument is bassoon. It is the biggest but has the lowest pitch in this family. It is considered as a clown of the orchestra because it can produce a communicative sound. The last woodwind instrument in the Western orchestra is saxophone. Though made up of brass, it is considered a woodwind instrument since it is played by blowing the single reed mouthpiece and by pressing the valves on its body. Its sound is in the middle between and bass sections. This time, let's watch a video showing how the string and woodwind instruments are played.